Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the phone and removing any case or screen protector, because residue and pressure points often cause touch issues. Next, inspect the screen edges and lightning port for dirt or liquid. These can create ghost touches. Once done, back up your data to iCloud or a computer so you can safely test fixes without risking loss. Doing this prepares you to isolate hardware versus software problems in the next steps. You force restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches, press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After that, make sure iOS is up to date via Settings General Software Update, because firmware fixes touch sensor issues. If problems persist, reset all settings to avoid data loss, and only then restore from your backup as a last software step. This helps confirm whether the issue is caused by corrupted settings or an app. You now verify hardware. Clean the screen and lightning port with a dry, lint-free cloth or a 70% isopropyl wipe if sticky residue exists, because contamination can block touch signals. Then test touch after removing accessories and in safe mode to rule out peripherals or apps. If touch still fails or you see display separation or cracks, contact Apple or an authorized repair. The digitizer or display assembly may need replacement. If repair isn't possible immediately, one troubleshooting tip: try a different Apple-certified cable and charger to eliminate power-related anomalies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.